Welcome back. Good morning, guys. All Motor Rob here. Today, we're slapping the big boy wheels on the car, which is actually a slight upgrade up from the ones that I got now, like 2 inches. But we're gonna put those bad boys on today. I did order a whole bunch of other stuff for the car, and most of it already came. It's over at the house now, just chilling. So as soon as I get there, I'm gonna show you guys a quick little video on the stuff that I ordered. Alright guys, so we got all 4 of the rims on, and I like the fitment. Only thing that I don't like is that I had to take off my 2-inch spacers. I needed to adapt the car from a 5x115 to a 5x4.5. So I ordered new spacers and put them on, but they're just a little bit smaller than these, so I don't have as much of a poke out as I did before. So I might get maybe some 1/4-inch plates and put them in. So you see it's not really poking that far like it was before. I mean, it still looks good. And the tires need some air in it. They're all kind of low. Let's give you guys a walk around. So all in all, I gained 2 inches on ride height, and the tires are flat. Like you see, this front tire is pretty low. I'd say it's probably down to about 15 PSI in that tire. So yeah guys, I think it looks great. I did get a whole bunch more goodies. I still have stuff coming in the mail. So this is what we got here. This is not really for the car. I mean, I do got to do my rotors, so that's going to help out a lot for removing those rotor screws. I got a harness, a light bar harness, because this big box back here is a 52-inch, 300-watt light bar. That's I'm gonna mount on the car. And then what's in this box here is I think a 5.5-foot roof basket. I had ordered some roof rails, so I'm waiting for those to come in. The tracking is saying tomorrow. So as soon as that comes in, then I'll start putting this on. Also, some new HIDs. These are 55 watt, 10Ks. Because the HIDs that I had, the driver's side kept going out. As a matter of fact, those HIDs weren't really even for the car. They were old, and I had them in my Dodge Neon. But then I got in a car accident with that, so I just took the HIDs out because y'all already know, driving around with stock headlights, especially on older cars, they're not all that bright. So gonna start doing some more work guys, but if you guys enjoyed the video, hit that thumbs up, man. I'm super excited, man. The whole time I've been in the car scene, I've always went low and cambered out and stuff, but this time, you know, I want to go the other way. I want to go up, so make this thing as badass as possible. And who knows, you know, I'm actually kind of tempted to start looking at superchargers, to be honest guys. So this thing would be a freaking beast with a supercharger in it. J35, 3.5 liter with a supercharger. Oh, she'll be hurting some feelings, guys, even with the big tires on it. Wow, there's only 13 PSI in this tire, guys. I'm looking back at the gauge. Very low. Let's see what this one's at. Probably can't see that, but 13 PSI on this tire.